Its obvious benefits in terms of life cycle analysis and low maintenance. They're the two big ones. Also, the wide variety of profiles and applications. So it's very, very versatile. And so we can get a nice organic looking material into parts of buildings that would be very difficult to maintain in the longer term. We have a bit of land attached to our office that gets good sunshine and exposure to the elements. So we're able to do small fabrications or lay materials out for full exposure testing. And so we've had some of the Innowood products out exposed to full sun, full sky, all weathers for quite a period of time. And we actually use a micrometer to measure dimensional changes and so on, and we take detailed photographs as soon as it's put in for testing or put out for testing, and then we compare those images as it goes through the weathering process. And so it's been interesting to be able to put something out there and see just how well it performs, just how stable it is, and it's passed with flying colours. I guess the most tangible things were absolutely stable in dimension and shape, so there was no warping, twisting, cupping. And the width of the particular profiles that we put out didn't change. And also the colour. In 18 months of exposure, the colour change was imperceptible. Maybe a very, very sensitive instrument could measure it, but we couldn't detect it with the naked eye. And I think when you look at the life cycle analysis, and its recyclability at end of life and the relatively low embodied energy that goes into its production. Combine that with very, very long life, operating life, and you do have a product that stacks up pretty well on an LCA analysis. The range of profiles was probably the biggest improvement as compared to many other products that are chasing the same market. So that in itself was a great step forward. It made it much more versatile for us as designers to be able to use. We get really good support and technical information and samples sent on demand of any different profile that we might be looking at. So we've got quite a collection of samples now, and we can, when we're in discussions with clients or amongst ourselves, we actually look at them full scale, and that touchy-feely thing, I tell you what, as building designers, there's no substitute. A website's great, but touchy-feely, wins every time.